Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a Mexican cuisine. It's a slow-cooked dish made from tender meat, usually lamb or beef, seasoned with rich spices, perfect for tacos or burritos. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as barbacoa, barbacoa, barbar, coa, barbacoa. Barbacoa is typically served at special family gatherings, particularly for holidays, celebrations like birthdays, or community events, where it's shared in abundance with loved ones. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.